Hi, my name's Ben LeBlanc. I'm 19 years old and I'm from Massachusetts. Before I came to Summit, from age 14 months to when I was like 9, I was a missionary kid. Throughout my life, I've loved to do different things. I played soccer, I love writing. I just like learning any way I can, really. I'm excited for all the returning students, just for us to get closer as a class and for us to really just deepen our relationship with God, because so much happened last year, and just to think a whole another year is ahead of us is kind of mind-boggling to me. And for the new class that's coming in, I'm excited for them to experience what this place has to offer and what happens here. I know when I came here, God moved and He really had mercy on me and poured into my life and transformed me into someone who has empathy, who loves God, who cherishes the relationship with God above everything else. There was one senior in our class who led a prayer meeting every night, and during that prayer meeting, God would really meet us. And so we had just students pouring into each other, besides what was already happening in chapel and outreaches and stuff. So that was awesome. I'm hoping that us as a senior class can try to emulate that, because they really showed us hospitality and love the first minute we got on campus. I can't wait to meet you guys. Just be excited. It's going to be a good year.